Cake International is the big show that everybody has to go to. The energy, the people.
There's just so much to see, lots of new techniques, lots of new equipment.
It literally has everything here.
I just love coming to see new ideas, finding out what people are doing, what's trending.
I'm able to talk to people as well and understand, the real application of it.
The art and the time that's been put into the cakes is amazing to see.
Anyone that comes has got an opportunity to be taught by not only myself, there's other fantastic cake artists, to do a full day's workshop and learn how to make something from the beginning to the end.
It just makes a world of difference being able to watch someone do it and they tell you exactly how you can do it. I go to a lot of cake shows around the world. This is always my favourite.